Hello everyone, welcome back to WB Blacksmithing. Today we're going to be making a fish. Let me grab one here. I'm making a dozen of these. These are relatively simple to something you might have seen elsewhere, but these are what I'm doing for this order, I guess. They're going to have J hooks attached right in the middle here. So I have 11 of these made so far. I have one final one to do, and I wanted to show you guys forging one of the fish. I'm not going to do the hook part in this video, but these are made from 1/4 inch by 1 inch by 5 inch pieces of stock mild steel. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so there it is. Pretty simple little fish. None of the videos sped up or anything this time, because it's not a very long project. Basically, it's just a ball punch, a center punch in the middle of it, a chisel scribe line basically, another chisel line, two little bevels that don't even have to be very exact, and then kind of a fishtail finial type thing. I use the guillotine because it makes a more even shoulder faster than you would by hand, just over the edge of the anvil. But you could do it without a guillotine. But like I said, I'm making a bunch of them, so I use the guillotine. And yeah, it ends up a nice shoulder without much effort. There you go. And now we will add this to our pile. Maybe we will add this to our pile. There we go. And it's the coat rack that smiles back. Anyways, thank you for watching and subscribing. Hopefully you guys like these things. Hopefully this was a fun project. And now, hopefully the next video, I'm going to be doing these tomorrow. These are turkey foot fire pokers, but on the end, they've got a little fish also for the same order. So I got an order for a dozen of these and 10 of these fire pokers. A dozen hook things and then 10 of these fire pokers. So there you go. Let me know if you'd like to see that. I plan on doing a video anyways, no matter what the comments say, because I think it would be kind of a unique little thing. So there was my prototype fish. Not the best. Little thing, I accidentally burned it a little bit. I wasn't paying attention. I was on talking to a customer person. There you go.